Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my conga tutorial. Today we're going to learn an easy beat that we can play for Low Rider by War. We're going to be doing a heel-toe motion with the left hand like this. On the conga, I'm using this part of my hand to play the drum and then cupping my fingers together to come down like that. That's my heel-toe. Like that. For my beat, I'm going to do a heel-toe with the left hand, and then I'm going to play a double slap with the right hand on the conga. I'll do another heel-toe, and then I'll move to the tuba and play an open double slap. Like that. So heel, toe, slap, slap, heel, toe, slap, slap, heel, toe, slap, slap, heel, toe, slap, slap. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there's an easy beat that you can use to play Low Rider by War on conga drums. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.